Karnataka, let's cut across to that. We are now told that Siddaramaiah, now the former chief minister, the outgoing chief minister, in fact, of Karnataka, has departed for Delhi after resigning. Siddaramaiah is to meet the Gandhis and also Mr. Kharge in the national capital. Siddha's very emotional post on X after resigning sort of speaks volumes of that. He says, and I quote here now, he says, born and raised in a village, I never even dreamed that one day I would become the ruler, the minister, the leader of opposition, and twice the chief minister of the state. The fulfillment of such a grand dream is thanks to Babasaheb Ambedkar's constitution, playing to his roots over there. He goes on to say, I am eternally indebted to the party's legislators who elected me as the leader of the legislative party and provided the opportunity to serve as chief minister until now. To my cabinet colleagues, he says, who worked shoulder to shoulder with me, to the party's senior leaders, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, and AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge, who gave me the opportunity, and the warm-hearted Canadians who filled my entire political life with love, admiration, and held my hand to guide me this far. My resignation is limited only to the post of chief minister, not to active politics. Until my last breath, he says, I will continue to fight for social justice and against forces of communalism and that oppose the constitution. Siddaramaiah there, the outgoing chief minister of Karnataka, making way for D.K. Sivakumar, also from his own party now. The tussle, the Game of Thrones that has gone on for months, if not years, has it finally come to a rest now? That is the big question, or this is just the beginning of part 2 of that story. Well, that's something we'll have to wait for. But for now, a very emotional Siddaramaiah has decided to give in his resignation. A very reluctant chief minister moving out of his chair over there, and there holding the smiles as well. But he tried to hold on to that chair as long as possible. This time, it was just not his way. But he did have a very emotional speech. Let's listen into an excerpt.
ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರ ಭವನದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮೊದಲಿನಿಂದಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಅನೇಕ ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರು ಮುಂದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹೊರಗಡೆ. ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ನವರು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸೂಚಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಆವಾಗ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ನವರು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ನಾಳಿದ್ದು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಂದು ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. Whatever legislative party takes a decision, Congress legislative party takes a decision, and High Command takes a decision, he will be the chief minister of the state. ನನಗೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭಾಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಭಾಳ ವಿನಮ್ರವಾಗಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ನಾನು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ರಾಜಕಾರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರಾಜ್ಯ ರಾಜಕಾರಣದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜನಗಳ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, I will continue in active politics.